Welcome to this PIERRE Academy tutorial. In this video, we will show you how to configure an intercom system for a hotel scenario where there is one main entrance intercom and multiple rooms. We start by opening the partner application and navigating to Buildings. Here we choose Add Admin Building and name it Hotel. For the building type, we select Home, then Save. This creates our main building where the intercom will be located. Next, we add the intercom itself. From the menu, we choose Intercoms, then Add and select PIERRE Intercom. We name it Hotel Boston and submit. These credentials will be used later during the intercom configuration. Now we create two additional buildings that will represent our rooms, Apartment 1 and Apartment 2. We switch to the user application and open Apartment 1. Under Displays, we add the first display by scanning its QR code. We name it Apartment 1 Rio. Choose the Apartment 1 role and grant full user permissions. We repeat the same steps for Apartment 2, adding its display and assigning full permissions. At this point, both room displays are ready. While the displays are updating, we return to the partner application and open the hotel building to configure the intercom. On the intercom device, we enter the default password 801-801. Then we open Call Settings, disable all options, and leave only Resident List Call enabled.
Next, we open SIP account settings and adjust the parameters. We replace username with extension, confirm the change, then open SIP account 1.
Here we enable the account and enter the username, password, server address, and port. We select TCP as the protocol and save. After a short moment, the intercom shows that it is connected. Now we set a static IP address for both room displays. This step is very important. In this example, we use Wi-Fi, although Ethernet is always more stable. We open the Wi-Fi settings, select the network, switch to static, and assign an IP address that is within the router's static range. We repeat this for the second apartment display as well. Next, we configure the intercom contact list. Under Contact List Management, we add a new contact named Apartment 1. We enter the extension and the IP address of Apartment 1, including the port. Then we add a second contact for Apartment 2 with its corresponding IP address and port. With the intercom configured, we move back to the user application. We open Apartment 1, go to Menu, Settings, and Roles. Here we strongly recommend creating a dedicated role for the intercom. We name it Intercom. Because the intercom belongs to the main hotel building, we add it to this apartment using cross-building access. We select lines from the search field. We select the hotel building and the type we choose, PIERRE Intercom, and save. After that, we can select the Hotel Boston font, then we save it. We repeat the same steps for Apartment 2. One final step remains, assigning the intercom role to the displays. We open the Apartment 1 Rio display, go to Access, and add the newly created intercom role. We do the same for the Apartment 2 Rio display. Now we can test the system. When someone rings the intercom for Apartment 1, it starts ringing immediately, and the call also appears on the phone. We answer the call, and everything works perfectly. We repeat the test for Apartment 2, and it works as expected. Finally, we test answering the call directly from the phone, which also works flawlessly. To summarize, the displays must use static IP addresses, the intercom should remain on DHCP, and the intercom role must be shared across buildings using cross-building access. And that's it. See you in the next video.